So, hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed. Also, third thing, this is a reading from 19th till the 25th of August, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Three of swords in reverse. So somebody is coming out of some kind of pain here. Somebody is trying to come out of the painful energies. Might be there was a breakup or separation, or there was some kind of distance between you guys. So somebody is trying to heal themselves and they're coming out of this pain slowly but surely. Okay, that's good. Let's clarify the three of swords in reverse, or they might now feel like okay, they are now ready to heal the situation. Let's clarify this. We have the two of pentacles, the king of cups, and the 10 of cups. Okay, I think this person is now considering this energy of okay, might be this balance can be restored in the situation again. Might be you guys have still a potential to work on the situation between you and them. So this person is kind of, if they were completely off, if they were completely closed off in this energy of it's never going to work out, we're never going to meet again, we're never going to talk to each other again. I think this person is opening up to this idea of having some kind of collaboration partnership, maybe having a future with you. It's like still on and off, in and out, still they are in pain, but now I at least they're opening up to this idea of having something with you in the future. It's like okay, we can think about it, we can work on this. It's still on and off, in and out, still full of confusion, but they are at least coming out of this totally closed off energy. Yeah, still trying to run away from the pain that they are experiencing still, but they are coming out of this pain slowly but surely, and now they are in this energy of maybe we can work things out with each other. Maybe the situation is not that much bad now, or maybe we can have a potential together. Okay, especially if you guys were married to each other, this person is considering this restoring of this marriage or commitment. Hmm. Let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra. Six of Pentacles. You feel like having equal give and take of energy in the situation, although you're also confused. You're also not able to understand the future direction of the situation, not able to completely see the future direction. But you feel like having equal give and take of energy in the situation and balancing the situation out. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles here. We have the Lovers, the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. You have a choice between two people, two situations, two connection, or two things. It's like either your financial status, or either your career or a relationship, or there are two people that you're trying, that you're connected to, and you feel like making a choice, making a final choice and going ahead with that final choice. Take it how it resonates with you, but you have to, you feel like having a equal give and take of energy, balancing out some kind of situation between you and somebody, and taking it forward from there slowly but surely. Yeah, even if you are not sure what you should do, but you feel like making a decision and sticking to that decision and moving forward slowly but surely with that decision. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Emperor. Their intention is to take the charge of the situation, make the amends in the situation, make the choices in the situation, decisions in the situation, basically. Okay, let me clarify the Emperor. I think this person wants to make a decision and stick to that, whatever it means in this case, in this situation. Okay, let's clarify the Emperor here, Libra. We have the Four of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands. Yeah, Right now they're not in the mindset of thinking about having a brand new beginning with you, so so they want to take their time until unless they are 100% sure that they can come forward and start this connection all over again with you. This person wants to take their time. They want to stick they want to keep their boundaries up, or like stand on their ground. So until unless they are going to come out of the pain completely that they are experiencing for whatever reason in the situation, they don't want to have any kind of brand new beginning in this direction with anybody, not even you, not with anybody else. Or even if it is related to finances or money, they don't want to start anything new until unless they're 100% out of the pain that they're experiencing because of this situation. It's like the blame is on you or on this relationship of them being in this pain, so that they're trying to move on from the pain completely so that they can make a final decision and stick to that. Basically, this person is trying to control the situation as much as they can, and according to them, they are doing the right thing. This is the right kind of decision, this is the right kind of mindset, and they should follow it. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra. Queen of Cups, you are in this energy of keeping your emotions and your things to yourself, and at the same time having this self love, self care, and self healing kind of energy. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups. We have the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Okay. Now you're showing me that you're open to new people, new connection, new situations as well. Okay. So you want to connect with new people, new energies, new experiences as well, along with waiting for this particular energy to sort itself out however it can, like whether it's the ending or whether it's a restart. You are not bothered, you don't want to bother about it all the time, you don't want to think about all the time. It's like lots of code card in your energies, in your intentions. So you are open to new experiences, new people, new situations, like from your side, Libra. At the same time, you are in this energy of, if it is meant to be with me, between me and this person, it will happen eventually. If it is not, I want to go ahead and start connecting with new people, new energies, even if I don't want to be in a relationship, but I at least want to experience and explore. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Because you want to heal yourself and you want to remain optimistic, positive, and open to new situation, new connection, new direction, and new kind of energies as much as you can from your side. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 25th of August. What can come out of it? What can happen? Three of Pentacles. Okay, I do see a teamwork, collaboration, partnership kind of energy. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Pentacles here. Yeah, my mom is right now in hospital and I'm just waiting for her call. Like, about, she's not like, there's nothing to worry about, but yeah, she's in the hospital and it's like a little bit distracting me. Oh, okay. So somebody is feeling like there's nothing left in the situation anymore. Somebody's walking away from the situation. Somebody's walking away from this collaboration, this partnership. As of now, both of you are splitting your energies, physically as well and emotionally as well, from the situation, because at least one of you is feeling like there's nothing left in the situation anymore to stick around. So it's like better to say goodbye and break this. Somebody is breaking this connection very abruptly out of the blue. They are going to say like, I don't want to be in this connection anymore, it's not working out anymore, I don't feel the love anymore, or I don't feel the connection anymore, so goodbye. Could be you, it could be them, it could be both of you deciding to split your energies, and on a physical level as well. Maybe physically you guys are not together anymore, so emotionally as well, you guys are trying to break this bond, and it is going to be so abrupt, it's going to shake your energies for a little bit, but again this is going to give you this opportunity to start a fresh chapter in your life. I do see a brand new beginning immediately after this breakup or shake up or whatever is happening right now between you guys. So it's going to be a final goodbye for most of you, for from this particular person's side. I don't know if it's permanent or not, but according to them it's final. According to you, whosoever is leaving the situation first, according to them it's final, and they are saying goodbye. And immediately I do see a new person, new energy entering in your life, because you're open to that. Only if you're open to that, you will receive those kind of energies. Okay, it's not like, yeah, somebody is going to ring your bell if you're sitting on your bed and waiting for somebody to show up. It's not going to happen like that. Only if you're willing to go out of your comfort zone and ready to connect with new people, new energies, I do see new energies presenting itself to you if you're open to them. Again, guidance, 8 of swords, 7 of wands, page of wands. Do not block yourself from going outside of your comfort zone. You really, your heart and soul really wants to go out, have fun, explore new people, new situation, new connection, new things, but you're scared. You're like, oh, what if it is also going to end up in disaster? What if what if I will never be able to find somebody who's going to like me? Or what if I'm going to start liking somebody and they're going to ditch me? This might happen, that might happen. You have to get out of your head, and you have to get out of your s, and you have to get out of your comfort zone and start connecting with people. The more you are going to fear, the worse, the more your manifestation is come to fruition like intensely. Because for manifestation we need energies, even if it is bad, even if it is positive. For positive manifestation we need good energies, good vibrations. Okay, for negative manifestation we don't need anything, because we are already anxious or depressed. So the manifestation, negative manifestation, happens quickly. So you yourself is creating this obstacle, you yourself is creating this negative manifestation for yourself by not letting out of your comfort zone, getting out of your comfort zone. Now I'm not telling you to go and sleep with somebody and fuck around and just have rebounds over rebounds. No, I'm telling you to go explore new people, new things, new situation, find a passion, find a hobby, start doing something that you really wanted to do from a very long time, and start doing something that really helps you to keep yourself grounded, to keep yourself in the moment, in the present moment, as much as you can, Libra, because it's required, highly required. Because I do see an abrupt ending of a chapter, and I think it's going to be a final goodbye from at least one of you. At least the intention is here, I don't know. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and God bless you. Namaste.